This Santee home is located in the luxurious Sky Ranch community. My name is Kyle Whissel. I'm with Whissel Realty Group, and I'm excited to share my 3 favorite features with you. Welcome to 5066 Sevilla Street in the Sky Ranch community of Santee. I'm excited to share my 3 favorite features with you. Now this one's a little special for me because I actually used to live in this neighborhood. So I've become very familiar with it. Number 1 for me is going to be the view. The view from this home is absolutely stunning. You have unobstructed west-facing views, which means you get to watch the sun set over the mountains every single day. It's absolutely stunning. Number 2 is the fact that this tight-knit community has a beautiful park just across the street from you. Plenty of room to run around with the kids, run around with the dogs. There's a little playground, there's picnic benches, there's barbecues. Great place to hang out with your friends and your family. Number 3 is the single-story floor plan. Single stories are great, right? Whether you're 30 or 130, the single story floor plan is gonna work for you. And it's a nice wide open floor plan, plenty of room to move around. It's got your 2 guest bedrooms completely separated from the master. It's a killer single story floor plan. If you're interested in this home or know somebody who might be interested, our team would love the opportunity to schedule a private tour for you. Give us a call, 858-203-1994.